And more vaccines are in the works, and doctors say we do need multiple vaccines to have adequate supply. 41 Action News reporter Emma James explains why today's seemingly good news might be a cause for concern for some other ongoing trials.
A local Inovio vaccine trial participant tells me even though he got the vaccine during his trial, he still wants to get an approved vaccine when it's widely available, essentially meaning he would drop out of his trial.
When we were all on lockdown and quarantined at home, I was looking for some type of way that I could be helpful and contribute.
Shawnee resident and former city councilman Brandon Kenig has been a participant in the Inovio vaccine phase 1 trial since the spring. The trial, through the Alliance for Multi-Specialty Research in Kansas City, includes 48 people who all received vaccine. Kenig says he still wants to get an approved vaccine when it's available.
I believe that my vaccine is effective, but it still hasn't received final approval, and it's not through phase 3 testing.
By doing so, he must drop out of the Inovio trial.
But yeah, they discuss that with you, and they understand too that part of the end goal is to get as many Americans vaccinated with whatever is available at the time.
Principal investigator Dr. John Irvin says participant dropouts are a dilemma he's anticipated since the trials began.
From the science standpoint, we would like to keep everybody in the trials and follow them through.
However, it's ultimately up to the participant.
These studies are voluntary, and I think we have to have what's best for the individual as our main interest. And if it's best for the individual to get an approved vaccine and they were getting a placebo.
Dr. Irvin says by the time trial dropouts happen next year, most trials underway now would hopefully have the data they need to keep moving forward. But trials starting later could have a tough time finding participants. When it comes to an approved vaccine, his message remains the same.
Get the darn vaccine when one becomes available.
In Kansas City, Emma James, 41 Action News.